Welcome back, all
Good
of you.
afternoon.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to the music exam.
Sir, what we will do in this period?
Later we will start a new chapter. Okay, I will show you a video.
Sir, can we do an activity?
Yes, sir.
I will show you a video in this period. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
good, sir.
Good morning, sir. Parth Gupta Vice President.
Good morning, sir. I am present.
Sir, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning,
can we
sir.
do an activity?
Present.
Yes, sir, please. Yes, sir, please. Sir, we are taking some classes.
Good morning, sir.
Revision.
Good morning, sir. Karthik Khandaru.
Show video.
Beta, we in this period we have to start the new chapter volume. So I will show you a video related.
Oh, sir, please. Sir, please. And
Beta,
Sir,
please.
please.
We have to finish the syllabus also, na? है ना? So I will show you a video. Okay, don't worry. It will be an interesting one. Don't worry. Okay, so be ready for the video, everyone. I'm going to share my screen and you will see a video when I share my screen. Okay, so be ready for it. Or shall we wait for another minute for all the students to join? I think the attendance has gone very down in all the classes. What is the reason behind this? Tell me. In all the classes, I'm noticing that the attendance has really gone down.
yes, the children leave the class fast and come in late.
Okay. They are joining the previous class early. Sorry,
Yes,
leaving the
sir.
previous class early
Yes, sir.
and joining the next class late. Why are they doing like this?
I don't know.
Sir, because they want more time to.
Okay, so because there is no break between classes, that is why they are doing this.
Sir, I also
Sir,
think.
now what we will do? No, sir, when the breaks over, sir, these will also do
Good
this
morning,
thing.
sir. I am present.
Show the video. Sir, what we will do today?
I'm going
Volume
to share my screen.
We will watch video.
I will
chapter
share
1.
my screen and you will watch a video. Okay. Just a minute. It is a video with very good graphics. You will see nice graphics in it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Is it audible?
No, sir. Very less audible.
Okay, the volume is very low in the video, so I would like if you just use your headphones. Headphones, okay?
So just wait for 1 minute. I'm just bringing my
Yeah, please
AirPods.
bring your headphones if you are not having it already. Bring your headphones. You will.
Yes, sir. I'm bringing
Sir,
my
in
AirPods.
Aspa is,
volume is so low.
volume is low. That is
Sir,
why.
you can click this off.
Aspa is already using her headphones. Very good.
Sir, I am also using
Very good.
earphones,
Beta,
but the volume is still not coming.
some other students.
I am
Switch
bringing.
on your videos only, then I can see who are using headphones. बेटा माइक्स ऑफ कर लो, वीडियो ऑन कर लो बस, नहीं तो सब्जी वाले यहाँ पे सब्जी बेच के चले जाएंगे। ऑनलाइन क्लास में सब्जी बेच देंगे। पता लगा तुम्हारे घर के भिंडी का रेट सुन करके मैंने अपने सब्जी वाले को डांट दिया।
Yes, sir. Done.
ऐसा हो सकता है? पता लगा किसी के घर पे सब्जी वाला आया हुआ, उसने आवाज लगाई भिंडी 20 रुपए किलो और मेरा सब्जी वाला दे रहा था 30 रुपए किलो, तो मैंने उसको डांट लगा दी। चलिए चलिए, okay, let's start then. I think everyone is now using headphone. I'm going to play the video.
Yes, sir.
Just a, yeah.
We will be looking at the volume and surface areas of various shapes and figures. The good thing is that we need to understand just two things: volume and surface area.
So first of all, you all don't have to focus on surface area, you just have to focus on volume. Surface area, the topic surface area is not in your syllabus, so just ignore it. Just focus on volume, okay?
Okay, sir.
First, let's look at what surface area means.
So this part I am skipping. Surface area, they are explaining what is surface area. ये मैं skip कर रहा हूँ.
But wait, is its volume then?
Now let us understand what volume.
Wait, is its volume then? Simply put, it is the amount of space it occupies. Another way of looking at it is the amount of space contained within the shape. When do we need to know its surface area? When would we need its volume? Look like this. I asked you to paint this box. You would need its surface area to find out how much paint you need. I asked you how much water this box can store. You would need to know its volume.
So volume is what? The capacity or the space occupied by a solid. Okay, मैं explain कर रहा हूँ आपको. So this is a cuboid. You all know what is the shape of a cuboid? Cuboid जानते हैं सारे बच्चे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. So just see this. I am going to show you what is a cuboid. This duster is in the shape of a cuboid only. Duster, याद है आपको duster नाम की?
Paused.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
The classes are going online. I thought you must have forgotten what is a duster. So this is a duster, okay?
Sir, I remember.
You remember? Very good.
Sir, I also remember because I have.
Shalima, good afternoon. How are you, Shalima?
Sir, I am fine.
Fine. Very good. Your studies are going fine, Shalima?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is a duster. This is in the shape of a cuboid. अब ये duster जो है कितनी space occupy कर रहा है, मतलब कितनी जगह घेरता है total. That is known as volume. और अगर मान लो एक बॉक्स है मेरे पास, there is a box, so the capacity of that box, मतलब if I am filling water in a box, कोई box है मान लीजिए, it could be like a pencil box like Asfa is showing in her video, or it could be your suppose mobile box. You must have seen, all of you must be having some mobile boxes. Here this Bhakti is also having a kind of box with it. So many kind of boxes are there. Even this bottle, this is this. What is the shape of this bottle?
Cylinder.
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 Cylindrical. This is a cylindrical bottle.
London.
सिलेंडर, ओके, सिलेंडर है ये. सो इस बॉटल में मैं वाटर भर रहा हूँ. वाटर किस चीज पे डिपेंड करेगा? डिपेंड ऑन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बॉटल. इस बात पे डिपेंड करेगा वॉल्यूम. सो वॉल्यूम का मतलब क्या होता है? इसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है, मतलब इसके अंदर मैं कितना, कोई भी चीज अगर मैं फिल कर रहा हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम फिलिंग मिल्क इनसाइड द बॉटल, मिल्क फिल करूँ या टी फिल कर दूँ या वाटर फिल कर दूँ या कुछ और चीज फिल कर दूँ, तो ये कितनी चीज स्टोर कर सकती है अपने अंदर, यानी कि उसकी कैपेसिटी, दैट इज नोन एज वॉल्यूम. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज वॉल्यूम? और एक तरीके से ये बॉटल जो जितनी स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रही है, अगर इस रूम में मैं बॉटल ले आया, इसी रूम के अंदर मैं एक बॉटल ले आया, मान लीजिए बाहर से आया और रूम के अंदर एक बॉटल, तो रूम के अंदर बॉटल ने कुछ जगह को ऑक्यूपाई किया है, एम आई राइट? कुछ स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई किया है, कुछ जगह घेर लेगी बॉटल, तो दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज वॉल्यूम. तो वॉल्यूम को दो वेज में मैं बोल सकता हूँ, आइदर द स्पेस ऑक्यूपाइड और द कैपेसिटी. याद है?
Capacity.
फर्स्ट इज कैपेसिटी,
Sir, capacity.
फर्स्ट इज कैपेसिटी, सेकंड
And
इज
second. Sir, space occupied.
space of
Space.
two things. Volume is about two things, either the capacity or the space occupied by a solid.
Space occupied.
So this is volume. Let me show you another video to understand what is the volume of a cube and a cuboid. वो अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Just wait.
Cuboid is
I'm sharing the screen again. Watch the video. You will understand what is the volume of cube and cuboid. There is formula. Formula है उसका. बहुत easy, simple सा formula है. Okay. Watch the video.
be a box like this. It is three-dimensional. Cuboid is simply a box like this. It is three-dimensional as it does not occupy a part of just one plane. Three things define a cuboid. Length, its breadth, and its height. This is the
So there are three things in a cuboid. तभी हम इसको क्या बुलाते हैं? What do we call these type of shapes? These type of shapes are called as three-dimensional, 3D shapes. 3D सुना है कभी आपने? Obviously सुना होगा 3-dimensional.
Yes, sir.
तो 3D
Yes,
is
sir, 3D.
means इसकी तीन तरह की dimensions हो सकती है. The first is L. L means length. Second dimension is breadth, B, and the third dimension is height, H.
Height.
Okay. So there are three dimensions in a cuboid.
cuboid. Plane. Three things define a cuboid. Length, width, height. This is a cuboid. Will be its surface area. Will be the total area of all its surfaces.
Surface area part मैं skip कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. It is not in your syllabus. तो मैंने skip कर दिया सारा surface area. Now you all need to focus on the volume of a cuboid. Okay. Surface area जो भी इन्होंने बताया है, just forget it. Okay. आपको syllabus में नहीं है वो. Forget क्या मतलब? You will study that in higher classes. Okay.
The volume of a cuboid is simply the product of its length, its breadth, and its height. LBH. To be more specific, it is the area of its base and its height. Knowing stuff about cuboids also helps us understand its special case, the case of a cube. It looks similar to a cuboid.
So what is the volume of a cuboid? You can see the formula. What is it? L, B.
L into breadth into height.
Very good. Length into breadth into height. LBH. Short में LBH भी बोल सकते हैं उसको. So if you just multiply the length and breadth and height, you will get the volume of a cuboid. Simple है formula. The formula is easy.
Yes, sir.
बेटा सब पहले को बंद कर दो.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir,
Yes.
in the YouTube, sir, voice is not coming. Sir, in yours.
Sorry.
Sir, voice is not coming.
What?
Sir, of the video.
I have
voice.
I have paused the video बेटा. Pause the video. मैंने video play नहीं करा हुआ है. Okay. Pause.
Sir, I know, sir, before it. Sir, when the video is playing, so voice is not coming clearly.
Okay, now you try to listen again. The voice is there.
Okay, sir.
No, it is its height. Cuboid is simply the product of its length, its breadth, and its height.
Voice is coming or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, in my side it is coming.
हाँ, the voice is there, बेटा. Okay, Bhakti.
Okay, sir.
LBH. To be more specific, it is the area of its base and its height. Knowing stuff about cuboids also helps us understand its special case, the case of a cube. It looks similar to a cuboid. It has length, breadth, and height, with the only difference being that all three are equal. Let's take each
So
of
what
these.
is the difference between a cuboid and a cube? Very small difference is there. In a cube,
Sir, in a cube,
Sir, in a cube,
all are equal, and in cuboid they are different.
yes, in
sir,
a cube,
sides are different.
From different side cycles.
in a cube, all the sides are equal. Length and breadth and height all are equal to each other in a cube. Whereas in a cuboid, length, breadth, and height are of different. हाँ जी. Sorry, अभियान क्या कह रहे हो? अभियान, you're saying something? अभियान बेटा क्या कह रहे हो? Your voice is not coming. चलिए आगे प्ले करते हैं. ओके.
Equal to S unit. Think about it.
तीनों को L, B और H तीनों को यहाँ पर S लगा दिया. S means side. ठीक है. साइड के लिए स्मॉल s यूज कर लेते हैं यहाँ पर. बिकॉज ऑल थ्री आर इक्वल, तो तीनों की जगह एक ही सिंबल ले लिया, विच इज S.
If each of the sides are equal, then each face will be a square. The area of each face will be S squared. There are 6 faces. The total surface is cube area of. Next, the wall is on the side. Its lateral surface is then is squared.
Okay, now she will tell the formula of the volume of a cuboid. Just listen to the formula very carefully.
L, B, and H are all equal to S. The volume of a cube will be side cubed.
So I will write it on the board. It is not that not a very good explanation of the volume. I will explain this on the board. Don't worry.
Given next,
But what is the formula? It is S cube. The volume of a cube is S cube. S cube means S multiplied by S multiplied by S. Okay, S into S into S. 3 times you multiply the side, you will get the volume.
we will look at the volume and surface area of the cylinder.
Okay, so look at the board, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. So you all need to note this down in your copies. I am telling you, note down in your copies. मैं जो board पे लिखूंगा, okay?
Okay, sir.
Write the name of the chapter. What is the name? Volume. The first shape that we are going to study is cuboid. So we write the heading cuboid and then you draw a cuboid. अब cuboid कैसे बनाना है जरा ध्यान से देखिए बहुत ध्यान से. It is very
Sir,
easy to make a cuboid.
Sir, I have drawn.
किसने बना लिया? सालिमा ने बना लिया.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I also know how to make.
So first you make a rectangle like this. Cuboid बनाने के लिए first you draw a rectangle like this. Okay. Then you draw
We
another.
have to make it pencil.
Draw another rectangle like this. So you draw two rectangles like this. First you draw two rectangles like this. It is very simple to make a cuboid. दो rectangle ऐसे बना लो. Okay. And now you join these corners. Join the corners. बन गया cuboid. Easy है cuboid बनाना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा लग रहा है बना के.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we have to make.
Yes, you have to draw this. Yes. You have to draw
Okay,
this.
sir.
Okay, just wait. Let me first write the formula. After that, you can draw. Let me just write the formula. So, what is L? This is L. This is B. You can write capital L. L. This is B. And this is H. The height of the keyboard. Okay. LBH. Now the volume is L into B L into H. This is the volume of a cube. Note down the formula.
So please wait.
Sir, I have done of cuboid.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, very good.
So now draw a cube.
Yes. Now,
Sir, I have also drawn the cube also.
very good. Because of a cube banana. May I erase this? Everyone done?
No, sir, please wait.
Sir, I have done. All.
So now you can use.
Okay, next is second one is cube. So how many shapes are there in your syllabus? Just cube and cuboid or any other shape is also there? Cube
Sir,
is there.
there are a lot of sphere, cylinder, cone.
बस यही दोनों हैं.
Sir,
There are only cubes and cuboids. Only. So second is
yes, sir.
अब cube कैसे draw करना है? First you draw a square. Square draw करते हैं. So this is a square. देखो, I have drawn a square on the board. Another square you will draw. So draw two squares like this first. Now you join the corners. बन गया क्यूब आसान है इजी है am I right or not?
Sir,
So these are so simple.
So now in a cube what is the difference that all the sides will be equal. So if this side is S, this is also S and this is also S. Instead of LBH all the sides will be S. मैंने S थोड़ा मुझे जो बनाया I think it is I hope it is visible clearly. मेरी writing थोड़ी गंदी है खराब है but
No, sir. Sir, what else do we have to draw? Sir, I have done this.
so volume
Sir, I have done.
equals to S into F into S. Volume is S into S into S. That means H cube. You can also write S cube or you can just simply write S. Volume equals to S into S into S. S multiplied by S multiplied by S. Side into side into side. Okay. Let's start with the exercise. So the first question is you have to find the volume of the given cuboid. You can do this in your copies. Don't draw the figure. Question. We are starting with the exercise now. I hope you all have drawn this. May I erase this now from the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हटा दो बेटा इसको. May I erase it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So exercise 20.
Sir, you are on which class right now?
Sorry. Exercise 21.1. Exercise 21.1. Question A. Question A, the first part. You have to find the volume of the given cuboid. Don't draw the figures. You don't have to draw the figures. Just find the volume in each of the parts. Okay. So volume First write the formula. Volume equals to L into B into H. It is a cuboid, so the formula is L into B into H. Now what are the sides? 8 into 2 into 5. 8 into 2 into 5. These are the sides. What is the product? 80 centimeter cube.
Sir, 85 नहीं sir,
सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। इसको जब पावर 3 लगाते हैं, 3 लगाएंगे यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर, देखिए मैंने 3 लगाया, सो दिस इज नोन एज सेंटीमीटर रेज टू द पावर 3। जब हम एरिया निकालते हैं तो क्या लिखते हैं? सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। जब हम वॉल्यूम निकालते हैं तो क्या लिखते हैं? सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? क्लियर? याद
yes
रहे?
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
यस।
Sir, sir, ever we write that 80 centimeter power 4, मतलब any in chapter or in the when we do the maths like this only.
You just have to write power 2 when you are finding area and power 3 when you are finding volume. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, we
And the power 4?
Power 4 is not written in units. Unit में कभी नहीं लिखा जाता है power 4. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Clear हो गया
Thank you,
बेटा?
sir. Yes, sir. I have this doubt for many days.
Okay. Okay, now start doing all the parts of this question. Part second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all the parts you do. I am giving you only 10 minutes to do all the parts. 10 मिनट दे रहा हूँ, 10 मिनट तो ज्यादा होगा। चलो, do it.
But sir, the class is about to over. It's just only 4 minutes.
कोई बात नहीं, the next period is also mine. Next period भी मेरा ही है। आज तो बच्चे परेशान हो गए मैथ्स
Yes, sir.
sir today's maths
Sir, maths is my favorite. Sir, maths is my favorite subject.
Sir,
When I was
Sir,
in the
mine
childhood.
too.
that subject.
Sir, before I hated maths, sir, but now I love it.
अरे वाह।
Sir, because sir, my father is very good in maths, so sir, he teaches me maths, so I got very interested in maths. That's why I like it.
Very good. क्या
Sir,
क्या?
my father is a
Sir,
math teacher.
sir, you know that I failed my tuition teacher in maths.
Sorry, what? Your?
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I failed my tuition teacher in maths.
Tuition teacher?
She
what?
was not getting an answer, and sir, I am saying that I have failed my tuition teacher in maths solving the questions.
अरे वाह।
She was not getting an answer, and I give the answer before solving it.
अरे वाह, very good यार, विवान।
Sir, my father is also a math teacher.
अरे वाह, कितनी अच्छी बात है।
And sir, my mother is also a science and math teacher.
तो कोई कभी ट्यूशन कोचिंग की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी फिर तो आपको।
Yes, sir.
Sir, there are very printing mistakes in this exercise.
अच्छा, I will
Sir,
see.
it has written 1, 2, 3, and on the green rectangle it is written again 2.
नहीं, that will be 4. वो by mistake they have written 2, but that should be 4. Okay. Do all the questions, everyone.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. What is the fifth one? Sir, what is the fifth one? A cube or a cuboid?
It is actually a cube, but still all the cubes are only types of cuboids. So आप उसको cuboid मान के भी कर सकते हैं, cube मान के भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now start doing all the questions.